Hey there, how's it going? Fono here. Lucky me, I'm up the beautiful Imitos mountain at Athens, Greece. Have a quick look at this. Late November, what a beautiful day for late November. So I'm going to use a few drones and I'm going to hopefully get some footage from my glider. Look, I've put a little mini drone into there to hopefully get some footage from this glider. I might use this for some FPV later, and this is my main drone, which has got a little camera here and FPV goggles. So let's see if we can get some footage. Hope you enjoy. Cheers. Okay, let's hope the camera in this mini drone is rolling and we'll get some low-res footage. Okay, fingers crossed, here we go. And it's a bit windy, so I'll be kept on my toes. Woohoo! Woohoo! Something like that. Hi again. Here I am a week later. Every time I tried to get drone footage it wasn't working. And I since discovered it's because the little controller, if it's any more than 5 or 10 meters away from the little drone, it cuts out. So I've had to strap it onto the top of my glider in a very unaerodynamic, ugly fashion. But I'm hoping to get some decent footage. Are you ready to see what I'm at? If this doesn't work, then I'm going to have to try something else. Fingers crossed. Looks like aerodynamics isn't exactly everything on a plane, because that was extremely unaerodynamic, but that glider and that motor combo had enough power to have that very unaerodynamic controller strapped on top. Great. Okay, for my final trick, I'm going to try a little bit of FPV flying. I'm going to hopefully do some FPV flying with this. It's not a very powerful drone and it's a little bit windy. I'm going to try and keep it low, and let's see how we go. Okay. Told you it wasn't very powerful. It's a bit windy. I'm going to attempt to land this now, I think. There we go. Not the best flying I've done, but look, it was a bit of fun, got some FPV, enjoyed that, hope you did too. Thanks very much for watching. This is Fano, signing off till the next time. God bless, bye.